So I went to this place, AH Helmets. I'm not sure how well you can see it, and they said that we don't have the jacket, but I'll now go there again. I'm calling them again now to check if they have it in place. Let's see if the jacket is in stock now. He told me that it will take about 4 or 5 days or a week. Let's see now. Hello, Hemant sir. हाँ सर, मैं गौरव बात कर रहा हूँ. पहले आया था आपके पास वो जैकेट लेने के लिए, टोर्नाडो प्रो का XXL में, तो L2 वर्जन जो है, तो उस टाइम आपके पास. अच्छा, ब्लैक अभी भी स्टॉक में नहीं है. तो कितना टाइम और लगेगा? 15-20 दिन और लगेंगे. 15-20 दिन और लगेंगे, मतलब एक जैकेट आने के लिए 15-20 दिन लगेंगे. तो मैं क्या राइड 2019 में करूँगा?
So it's been around 2 weeks now that I'm calling this guy to get me a jacket, and every time I call him he just says that the jacket is not in stock and I'm an authorized dealer. The name of the store is AH Helmets. It's an authorized store for Rhinox in Andheri West, but I'm not sure why they don't have the jacket till now. And again, when I called him just a few minutes ago, he said that it will take another 15 to 20 days. And that's really bad because my plans will be ruined if I wait for 15 to 20 days. So instead what I did, I booked it from Amazon. So I think I had no other choice, because there is no other store here in Andheri West that can, give me the jacket quicker. So Amazon had in stock, so I booked from Rhinox, and I also booked the knee protectors from Skoiko. So I'll show you once they arrive. So while I'm waiting for the jacket to arrive, so why not give you some tips here to clean this engine. So it has a lot of water spots and it's the aluminum is fading away. So I thought why not clean this up. And I'm also trying a product here. The name of the product is this Brighto. It's polish for all metal surfaces including chrome and aluminum. So why not try this polish, and it's just for like 50 bucks. You can see here. If it works, then you don't have to go for any, and all you need to do is you need to have this, you need to have an old used toothbrush and some rags here. That's it. So first you take this. I have to open it first, so let's puncture it. Once it is punctured, just keep it aside. Put some polish here, apply it like this, take some more. Should not get dry. I'll just try to rub this and see how it works. If it starts to dry off, just add a few drops of water and then continue scrubbing like this. And do it one portion at a time, because it starts to dry off very quickly, and if it is dry it won't work. Just keep rubbing. It will turn like this, black in color. That means the polish is working. Just add some water to the brush, scrub again. and the brush just broke. See, once you are done scrubbing it off, just take a rag like this and rub everything off. So if you see, this part of the engine is quite clean now. A lot of the dark spots and water spots have faded away, although it requires one more application and it should be good. So the same way you have to do it part by part to all the engine, and it should shine like new. And I think I have to change this as well. It's like cracked, the breather pipe. It's very important. And once you are done, you can just wash it off like this. You saw just now that my toothbrush broke. I couldn't do it further, but I'll do it later on. That's not a problem. But you got the idea, right? Like how it is done. So in case you have any aluminum parts on your bike and even chrome parts that are, you know, rusty or that have dark spots, you can just use this polish and spend some more time and have some patience and just keep scrubbing and adding few drops of water, keep scrubbing, and eventually all the spots will go away. You don't have to spend a lot of money to, you know, to get it buffed with a buffing machine or something, and that's quite expensive, as I believe. So I guess that's all for now. And if you like this video, do like it, comment down below, share it if you like it, and please subscribe to the channel.